Scott Carruthers and Stifel. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, another positive day on Friday. Ended up over 26,000. What happened?
You bet. Friday, the Dow was up 54 points, close to 26,072, as investors dismissed concerns over the government shutdown. IBM and American Express sold off after reporting mixed earnings and kept the Dow gains in check. For the week, the Dow was up 1% and is up about 5% for the year. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose 2.64%, rose to 2.64%.
Not bad, being up 5%, only 22 days into the year, right? That's not bad.
No, not bad at all.
Yeah, all right. What about the money flown into the stock market over the last couple of weeks?
Right, this is crazy. Over the past 4 weeks, investors put $58 billion of new money into the stock-based mutual funds and ETFs. This was the most amount of money invested in the stock funds ever over a 4-week period. U.S. funds took in the most money, followed by Japan and then emerging markets. By sector, financials took in the most and saw twice as much as the next two sectors, which were energy and technology.
Say that again. What was the most?
$58 billion. In financials, your favorite was the most that people were money into.
Financials, okay, good. And then who's buying, who's selling? What's this story?
Right. French drug maker Sanofi is buying U.S.-based Bioverativ for $11.6 billion in cash, a 64% premium to Friday's close. Bioverativ is a hemophilia specialist, and this is a big part of the biotech market. While we did not see a lot of biotech deals in 2017, but we expect to see a lot of deals in this subsector this year, and this is, I guess, the first one.
All right, there you go. And then what's going on with Amazon?
Well, Amazon's Go, which is the cashierless market, is now open to the public. It is almost a year late due to technical difficulties, but it is now ready to go live. Customers will scan their phones when they enter, and a computer follows them and tracks what they put into their cart and charges the customer through their phone. A trial store is located in the main headquarters in Seattle, and they have no plans of expansion right now, but it's going online right now. Isn't that crazy? They'll just kind of follow you around and see what you pick up off the shelf.
I'm still not convinced this is the way of the future. We'll see. Markets today, Scott Carruthers.
Today, the Dow looks flat. We have a big week for earnings as we get going on earnings season. Over the next 3 weeks, earnings will dominate most of the headlines.
All right, Scott. Have yourself a good day. Thanks for checking in.